Good morning, Usha. Best wishes for your new assignment as branch manager of Park Avenue branch.
Thank you, sir. I will do my best.
Good. I want you to focus on 3 things: business development, profitability, and customer satisfaction. Mr. Ram, please hand over the keys of your branch to the new branch manager. Please also go with her and give a proper handover of documents.
Usha, you are very lucky. I have kept everything going for you. You don't have to do anything. Just mention my name and customers will bring in the money.
I don't find the branch figures very attractive. Too much dependence on bulk deposits. I think I have lot of work to do.
Okay. You can take over the documents from Kumar, the operations manager.
Good morning, madam. Here are the documents you wanted. I'm the one in this branch who carries the heaviest load.
Thanks, Kumar. We will meet in the evening with all the team members to discuss our strategy.
Where is my fixed deposit receipt? You have not informed me that you are renewing my deposit. Where is the branch manager?
Please, sir, our relationship manager, Krishna, will solve your query.
Welcome, sir. Would you like to have some water? Don't worry. We will solve your query.
Does anyone care about customers in this branch? I have not got my checkbook yet. Your officer came home 10 days back to open my account. I gave him a check for 1 lakh. I have not received my checkbook yet.
Sorry, sir. Your account is not yet opened. There is some discrepancy in the document. Krishna, can you please meet Mr. Gupta? He is very angry because his account is not yet opened.
Good evening, friends. I am happy to meet you all. Our goal is to increase customer satisfaction and achieve business targets. I would like all of us to work together as a team.
I handle cash. I can do sales. Anyway, the previous manager Ram used to bring the deposits. He didn't trouble us.
That is exactly why we are in trouble. The bulk deposits are all maturing this month. We must all get more cash and smaller deposits.
Madam, there's a lot of work pressure. There's no time for sales. I need another verification officer so that I can complete daily operations in time.
Madam, excuse me. I am very sick. I want to go home.
Okay. Take care. Others, what have you been doing daily to get business? Let us see what we can do better.
Madam, we are working on some leads. Can you give us a date to collate our data and come back with some ideas?
Okay. Let us meet tomorrow at 5 p.m. I want each one of you to come with some ideas to improve service and sales.
I am so tired. Oh God. How can I sell when every day I am facing only angry customers?